welcome back to the Action YouTube channel. My name's Emma, and these are our sisters, Katie and Lucy.
Hi.
Hello. So, let's share some fun facts.
Mm-hmm.
A fun fact about me is that I do not like chocolate ice cream at all.
One fun fact about me is I really like to sing.
One fun fact about me is that I do not like peanut butter.
And so Lucy is a 6th grader, I'm an 11th grader, and Katie is an 8th grader.
Mm-hmm.
Today we are going to be making holiday countdown chains.
Yes.
You can basically make these for whatever you want. We normally make them for like winter break.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to make it for a friend's birthday, for your birthday, for summer break, really whatever you want.
Yep.
So
Or even just for decorations around your room or anywhere else in the house.
So all you're gonna need is scissors, paper. You can
use colorful paper or white paper.
or you can even use like recycled magazines.
Yes.
That's what I'm gonna do. And you just need some tape too. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper and you're just gonna cut little strips out of it. So you can make them as thick or as thin as you want, as short or as long as you want. This is already like an okay length, so I'm just going to take this and just cut a strip. You can like draw out the lines on first if you want to make it really straight, or you can just eyeball it, whatever you want.
And if you wanted to, if you were using like white paper or just like a plain piece of paper, even if it's colored, you can sometimes write stuff on it if you wanted.
Cut some chains. Yeah, so you can decorate your paper however you want.
Like maybe you want to write quotes on it, or write something you want to do that day, or a goal of yours you have.
And so you're going to cut as many strips as there are days left. So let's say there were 5 days until winter break. You would cut 5 little strips of paper. Okay. So once you have cut out all the strips of whatever length and whatever width you want it to be, which length is like the up
How
and down,
long or tall, and then width is how like wide.
Side
so,
to
like,
side.
yes, side to side.
So you can make basically a rectangle of whatever shape and size you want. And so once you have all of yours, we have 34 because right now when we're filming, there's 34 days until winter break. But you can go onto a calendar and count the boxes. So you can say, oh, I want to do this for my mom's birthday, which is on December 5th. And so then you can count all the boxes until December 5th. And so once you have them all, you're going to start making your chains. So you're going to take your piece of paper and make it into a loop. And then you're going to take a little piece of tape and you're going to stick the loop together like this. And then you're going to take your next piece of paper and you're going to put it through that one. So like this. And then you're going to take that one, fold it up, take a little bit of tape, and close it. And you're just going to keep doing that. So you're just going to put it through, close it, and tape it. And you're just going to do that until you get to the end of your little chain. So say, okay guys, now that your chain's finished, like start from the actual beginning.
Okay, guys, so now me and Emma both have our chains finished.
I'm not quite done yet, though.
Yeah, Lucy's still working. She's putting little messages on it that will brighten her day. So what you're going to do with this is every day when you wake up or right before you go to sleep, you're just going to rip one of the chains off. So then the closer you get to whatever you're counting down to, the shorter your chain will be.
And then by the end of the chain, like when there's only 3 rungs left, you'll be so excited because you'll know it's about to be that special day. So I hope you guys had fun making these. You can hang them up in your room so you can rip one off every day. And I hope you have lots of fun. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed.